how you can fix your Razer Viper V2 Pro dongle that is not working. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, make sure the dongle is firmly plugged into a working USB port. So try different USB ports on your computer, and test the dongle on another computer to rule out problems with your PC. Now, if that did not help, sometimes the dongle's solder contacts need fixing. That means you can carefully open the dongle, take out the green circuit board, bake it at high heat for a few minutes, let it cool, and then put it back together. That can restore the wireless connection, but be careful, and only try this if your dongle is out of warranty or not replaceable. After that, run the Razer USB Hyperspeed Dongle Utility from Razer's support page and follow the instructions to pair your mouse again. Then, download and install the latest firmware updater for your Viper V2 Pro dongle and mouse. That can fix firmware or driver issues. Once that is done, uninstall Razer Synapse and all Razer drivers, restart your computer, and then reinstall Razer Synapse from the official website. That fresh install can fix software glitches. If none of these steps work, then contact Razer support for help with your dongle or a replacement. And that's it. That's how you can fix Razer Viper V2 Pro dongle that is not working.